Hello everybody, do you know about scaffolding? Both in terms of material, type and use of the installation, let's find out about this equipment. Based on Indonesian government regulation of the Minister of Manpower and Transmigration, number 1 per May 1980, concerning work safety and building construction. Scaffolding is an equipment building that is made temporarily and used as a buffer for worker, work material and construction work tools. In general, scaffolding is a modular connection system made of cylindrical steel pipe linked to each other and reinforced with clamp to make it more steady. Watch in this video, look at some manpower study of scaffolding on the structure building with a height of more than 15 meters. Someone who is an expert in the field of scaffolding is called a scaffolder. They must have an official certificate issued by the local government labor agency. A scaffolder must have the skill, abilities, and courage to work at height. This type of scaffolding is a series of steel pipes that are interrelated and are mounted firmly, which can be adjusted in length, width, and height according to construction need. According to this standard, the scaffolding material used is a 2-inch diameter steel pipe with a thickness of 2.6 mm and 2.8 mm. In general, the length of the scaffolding pipe used starts from 0.5 meters to 6 meters. This scaffolding is often used for the construction of high-rise building, factory building, and warehouse building, and its installation can be applied to outside and inside building. Look at two scaffolders who are installing scaffolding pipe at a height of approximately 80 meters to temporarily support of the steel pipe 16-inch diameter. Scaffolding type frame is a scaffold that already in the form of a finished frame with steel pipe 1.5-inch diameter with a thickness of 2.8 mm and commonly used by companies in Indonesia. This frame type of scaffolding has a width of 1.2 meter and height with variation in fixed dimensions such as 0.9 meter, 1.2 meter, 1.7 meter, and 1.9 meter. So it is very limited to modify the size of the installation in the field. In general, frame type of scaffolding is used for work inside building with an average height of up to 3 meters. If the installation is more than 3 meters, then a support pipe and outrigger are needed so that the scaffolding remains steady. Look at some workers are installing ducting inside a factory building with a height about 4 meters. If you look at the photo, it is a sign that the workers have no awareness of safety at work and that of personal protective equipment. The main thing about working at height, especially working at height above 2 meters, must use complete personal protective equipment such as safety shoes, safety helmet, safety glasses, and full body harness. Always to be careful in the work.